What's up, YouTube? I'm here with Ryan Hildreth. I'm Anthony Alfonso, and in today's video we're going to be discussing what is a super affiliate. I know a lot of you are doing affiliate marketing part-time or full-time, and in this video we're going to go over key points to know what's the difference between a super affiliate and an affiliate. And just so you know, it's not far apart. They're very similar.
Yeah, so there's lots of questions around this. What is a super affiliate? How much does a super affiliate make? And what are the barriers to become a super affiliate? And we're gonna go over that. I mean, what better time or better person to have here than super affiliate Anthony Alfonso, okay? So we're gonna go over kind of how to become a super affiliate, what is it? And I guess I'll ask you first, like, what, in your definition, what is a super affiliate?
So a super affiliate to me is someone who makes six figures profit from doing CPA and affiliate marketing with paid traffic.
Okay, so six figures within a year.
Six figures within a year, yes.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense, and I would say the same. I would say a super affiliate is someone who makes consistently, $10,000 or more per month. So that would equate to, $120,000 a year, which is more than six figures. So I think we have, similar outlooks on that. Except there was one thing that you said about paid traffic.
Yes.
Is that something that, and that's something that, maybe a lot of people are wondering about. Do you do free traffic methods? Do you do paid methods? And what's your opinion on the two as far as becoming a super affiliate?
Yeah, great questions. So for those of you who do not know me, I run paid traffic, and I actually run ads on Facebook, on Google, on Bing, and also email and native ads. Now, with paid traffic, the reason I say that a lot of affiliates should start with paid traffic is because that's the fastest way to build a full-time income. And just so you guys, have a general idea on, how can you make a full-time income with affiliate marketing and become a super affiliate? There is no real secret to it. Everything comes down to mindset at the very beginning, because recently I've been talking with students, friends, and they want to do affiliate marketing and they want to make money with paid traffic. You guys have all seen the YouTube videos, get a bazillion dollars following this, strategy, the secret strategy. But the truth is, the major difference between an affiliate and a super affiliate is mindset. Now here's an example. I started a brand new native ad affiliate marketing paid campaign. And what happened was that I was negative when I very first started for the first couple days, and after letting the campaign run, after 3 days, I became profitable. Now, I'm still testing and optimizing, but most affiliates just starting out, if they lose $100, they'll end up, throwing the cape away and quitting their entire affiliate marketing business. But that's the difference. When I promote an offer and I'm running paid traffic, if I'm getting traction with the offer, I see the potential into scaling that offer. So that's one major difference between a super affiliate and an affiliate.
Nice, totally agree with that. And another thing too is talking about paid traffic versus free. Now, I became a super affiliate through free traffic, and that was my first method, okay? And this is the reason. Now, I'm not saying that it's not possible anymore or that free traffic is bad, but from someone who's made well over six figures, multi-six figures through free traffic, I can safely say that it is not a consistent way to generate profits over the long term. And I'm talking more than 3 to 5 years and plus, right? For my first year with free traffic, I didn't reinvest any of those profits into paid advertising, and that was probably my number one mistake, because as an affiliate, your email list is crucial. You should be building your email list every single day, and with free traffic, that was a little bit harder to do so. So that is one difference that my mindset has changed as far as becoming a super affiliate. I think that becoming a paid traffic affiliate is the way to go, because it's more consistent over the long term, and it's a skill that cannot be taken away from you. Whereas if you have a YouTube channel or a website that's doing really well with free traffic, there's really, there's no promise that your YouTube channel is going to get taken away, or there's no promise that you're going to have that website forever. So you have to be adaptable and be able to have a skill set like paid ads to be able to get an ad up within the next 30 minutes and start becoming profitable within the next 24 hours. I think that's a real skill set.
Yeah, hey, I think you hit it right on the money, man. So just for a few tips, affiliates just getting started, you want to make your first $50 a day, $100 a day. Do not overcomplicate your affiliate marketing. At the very beginning, start with your offer selection. Get in touch with your affiliate managers if you're in affiliate networks, or if you're just starting out and you're using ClickBank or Max Bounty. Get in touch with the offer that you're promoting. See if they can give you an increase of your payout. Now, in the beginning, you have to do your spying and your research on an affiliate offer. So, for example, one way that you can start researching, say you join Max Bounty's affiliate network, for example. Your affiliate manager can say, hey, these are some top offers promoting. Now what you can do is you can head over to bigspy.com. Now this is a free spy tool. I want you to see other affiliates running that offer. So there's small things that you can do when you're setting up a campaign in the beginning to make sure that you can get as close as possible to being profitable. And that's one of my tricks. That's exactly what I do, is that I spend time researching my offer. I need to validate it. So one way to validate, contact your affiliate manager. The next way to validate is use spy tools to see if you see other affiliates. Now, the next third way to validate an offer, to know that, hey, I want to promote this offer, is this going to make me money? Go to Facebook or go to your traffic source. So if it's Facebook, for example, go to the search bar and start typing in keywords. You can do this completely for free. It'll just take 15 minutes, and see if you can pull up videos, images, or ads from other affiliates. Now, this is what the difference between an affiliate and a super affiliate. A super affiliate will go in, they'll choose an offer, and they'll research the offer, and they'll validate it, versus a regular affiliate. And this used to be me, by the way. When I very first started affiliate marketing, I would just go to ClickBank, I'd find the best converting offer, and I'd try to run ads and hope for the best. Do not do that. Do not do exactly what I did when I started off. But this is why we make these videos, so you guys can see, like, we've been through the journey just like you're going through the journey right now. So whatever point you're at in your journey right now, know that we've been there too, whether it's with free traffic situations or even paid traffic.
Yeah, definitely. And that's the progression of becoming a super affiliate. If you want to become a super affiliate, it's number one, the mindset, okay? Like Anthony was talking. If you are giving up after day 2, 3, 4, because you're not profitable on your campaign, right? That is the difference between a regular affiliate, someone who's just, doing this on the weekend, and someone who's actually in the trenches becoming a super affiliate. A super affiliate keeps going and they do their research. They find out, okay, what is wrong with the offer? If it's not the offer, what's wrong with my Facebook ad? What's wrong with my traffic source? Or what's wrong with my funnel? Maybe everything else is good, but it's my email sequence is not aligning with the offer, right? It could be little tweaks that you'll see. Over time, you're losing hundreds of dollars because you didn't make these improvements in your sales funnel or your, affiliate campaign. So it's those little things, the mindset, number one, and number two, it's the patience to actually commit to this affiliate journey and becoming a super affiliate. If you're making $0 a day right now, or you're making maybe $100, $200 a day, there's just this little barrier that once you cross over to that other side, you're going to notice your profits just start exploding up because you find that right method for you. Okay, it's not the same for everyone, but yeah, I mean, to touch on that, I think that's basically all I have. If you want to become a super affiliate, you must have the mindset to push through the noise of like all the regular people just kind of like going out there and trying to promote, any offer that they see and not doing their actual homework. And number two, reaching that 10,000 a month mark.
Yeah, man, you said it right on the money. So one last tip, everybody. So as you're on your affiliate marketing journey, keep in mind the number one downfall that I see an affiliate have in the very beginning is not testing. So I'll give you guys an example. My most recent campaign I created, I had 2 landing pages, so 2 different websites, and I tested 3 different affiliate offers, but I also tested 6 different images. Now during that test, I found one landing page bringing me in all my sales. and I found one image and one variation bringing in all of my sales. So now when my testing phase is done, I can take the best of the best and start optimizing and becoming profitable and scaling my affiliate marketing campaigns. And now as you're building your affiliate marketing empire, make sure to surround yourself with other affiliates. Like Ryan's an affiliate, I'm an affiliate. Go join free Facebook group communities, find mentorships, get training courses if you need it, and make sure you have a strategy when you're doing an affiliate marketing. One big difference from I see super affiliates and non-super affiliates is having a mentor. When I very first started, I had to be humble enough to invest in myself and also find people where I wanted to be. So when I was just making, $50 a day, $100 a day, I found someone who was making $1,000+ a day, and I got mentorship. And that's why I was able to excel past people who have been doing this for 10+ years as a side gig. So make sure you surround yourself with like-minded individuals, people who want you to succeed and have your back in this journey.